So hey guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. It's me Anam, and today I am going to show you how to make clear nails with Builder gel at home. So this video is going to be really interesting. So make sure to like, subscribe, share and comment. Now let's get started. So if there is any nail paint or something present on your nails, so you have to clean your nails first. So just take one cotton pad and dip it into nail paint remover and then just wipe your nails. Now buff the surface of your nails using a filer or a buffer. You just have to remove the shiny layer from your nails. Now remove dust from your nails. So now this step is optional. If you want, so you can push and cut your cuticles. This step will make your nails last longer, but if you want to skip this step, it's okay. If you don't have cuticle pusher, so of course you can use the coin. It will really help you a lot. So now apply base coat on your nails. This base coat is from Yayo. You can use any base coat you have. And now cure it for 60 seconds. Done. Now the fun part. So this builder gel is from Model Ones. So let's get started. Disclaimer, I never worked with builder gel before, so if I made any mistake, so please ignore it. So I'm using this old brush because I don't know how to clean your brush after using brush with the builder gel. So that's why I'm using this old brush. I don't know how to use this nail foams. I always work with dual foams. So today I'm going to work with this paper foams. So for fingers I'm going to use this dual foams, and for my thumbnail I'm going to use the paper foams. I just apply the builder gel inside the dual foam, and then I just place it on my nails and then I just cure it. First I just cure it for 30 seconds, but this didn't get hard, so I cure it again for 30 seconds and then it gets hard. This looks so cool to me. Then I just repeat the process on my remaining fingers. So as you guys know, I didn't know how to use paper foams, so I watched one YouTube video and I tried to follow the steps. So if I made any mistake, ignore it. now I just have to file my nails. Now I just have to apply the top coat and they are done. Wow, they are looking so cool. Isn't it looking cool? Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment. See you soon. Take care. Bye.